Today we are diving into something truly revolutionary. OpenAI Sora, a text-to-video AI model that can literally create realistic videos based on your text descriptions. What is it and how do you use it? We are going to discuss all of it in this video. So let's dive right in. Imagine this. You have a script, a storyboard, or just a fleeting idea for a video. Instead of spending hours filming and editing, you simply feed it into Sora. And voila, you get a high-quality video complete with dynamic scenes, realistic movements, and even simulated objects and environments. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not entirely. So how does the magic happen? Let's peek under the hood of Sora. First, it's important to know that Sora is a diffusion transformers model, trained jointly on videos and images of variable durations, resolutions, and aspect ratios. Picture it like starting with static noise and gradually refining it into a clear image, frame by frame. One important point to note here is this. Just as large language models have text token, Sora has visual patches. According to OpenAI, patches are an effective representation for models of visual data. Patches are a highly scalable and effective representation for training generative models on diverse types of videos and images. As per OpenAI, diffusion transformers scale effectively as video models as well. They've released these bunch of videos on base compute, 4 times compute and 32 times compute, clearly exhibiting that video quality improves markedly as training compute increases. But there's more. Sora also leverages its understanding of the physical world thanks to data from simulated environments like video games. This allows it to realistically depict movements, object interactions, and even basic physics within its generated videos. Okay, that's the technical jargon out of the way. Now let's see how you can actually use Sora. Unfortunately, it's currently not publicly available. OpenAI is offering limited access to researchers, artists, and filmmakers for feedback and development purposes. But hey, while we can't play around with it ourselves just yet, OpenAI has generously shared some amazing examples on their website. We can see scenes like a stylish woman walking through a neon-lit Tokyo street, a playful dog clicking selfie on a beach, and even a glimpse into a simulated Minecraft world. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, what does this all mean for the future? The applications of Sora are vast and exciting. Imagine animators, YouTubers, and even businesses could generate high-quality explainer videos, product demos, or even short films with unprecedented ease. Imagine bringing historical events or complex scientific concepts to life through immersive, AI-generated simulations. AI-powered video creation could remove technological barriers and empower individuals with disabilities to share their stories or create content freely. Interactive stories, personalized video games, and even AI-generated movies. The possibilities for entertainment are mind-boggling. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Issues like potential biases in the model, copyright concerns, and the impact on traditional video creation jobs need careful consideration. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of OpenAI Sora. I hope it sparked your curiosity and got you thinking about the future of video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating dives into the world of data science and AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.